This is a washing machine, so most people think this system is the easiest to implement a graywater system because there's a pump here. Currently, this drain is going directly to the drain system. You could install a switch here, either send this to the sewer system or direct to the outside. You can switch over. That's one way you can implement your graywater system. The only thing you have to keep in mind is to use biodegradable detergent. The detergent has to be garden safe. But today, I'm going to show you another easy way for kitchen water. Similar to the washing machine, you have to use a garden-safe detergent for your kitchen. You have to be careful. The kitchen, one is you use the garden-safe detergent, and two, you have to be careful about bacteria. California has a drought, pretty bad drought. I'm going to show an idea that is removable. I'm not going to do it because our local coding may not allow, but I'm going to show you the idea. So kitchen has an outlet here that you can clean if there's a blockage. The kitchen drain system is here, and there's a pipe connect directly to this outlet. So the outlet is like this going into your main drain system. I found this unused pipe. It's just a little bit smaller than this. So this will go inside here. The drain pipe is in the wall here and come down directly to here. So if I cut a hole here on this pipe, the water from the drain will go into the smaller pipe. You have to do two things. The first thing is cut a hole here. The second is block this end. How do you block this end? This is a PVC pipe. You can use a heat. You can use a torch. You can just go to your barbecue grill and do it. Or I will show you, you can put this in your car exhaust pipe. The exhaust, just the right size, you can put here. When this car is running, it's really hot. Try to melt this part and then close it, and make sure after you close it, it's not bigger than the other pipe. You need to cut a hole on the pipe. First, you need to measure where to cut. Here's the vertical pipe. You can see from here, you just measure how far it is. So once you measure the locations, you need just a mark on this pipe. You need to cut one here and one here, about the size of one pipe. Draw an array of holes here, and then this will come out like this. So you have a hole like this. The water will flow into this pipe. I use the tape, just tape this end because I'm just trying to demonstrate this thing would work. Add a little bit more tape on, it will seal a little bit better. So it depends on how much bigger this pipe is. We'll insert this in. I will measure where that hole is, and I have a marker here. Markers here shows that will flash to the outlet here. Because I'm not doing for real, I'm just doing demonstrate this work. You should use this kind of tape, the duct tape. This is very sticky. Just tape this temporarily. You can make whatever fixture you have. Maybe you should have a P-strap here so it doesn't smell that bad. See it? It's coming. Okay. If you don't have that pipe, you can do something. It doesn't cost you anything. You use a coat hanger. You bend like this, and at the end, diameter is same as this diameter. So it can go in like this. See, it's elastic, so it can go in. I'm covering this with underwear. I'm going to use this to block the drain pipe. But when I remove this system, I want to remove the underwear as well. I do not want to leave the underwear because it's not dissolvable. If somehow this was left here, you can't get it out. You have to call the plumber. You have to tell, oh, I left the underwear there, blocked my drainage. On his way to your home, he will be wondering how can underwear can cover a round spot. So you need to push this past the intersection of the two pipes. Make sure it's past the intersection because it's before intersection, it will not work. See, this works. If it's raining season, you do not want to use this. It's very easy to take it out. See how easy to just take your underwear out. It's very easy to remove it. To seal this well, you can use just a caulking to seal the gap here so the water doesn't soak your wall. I haven't tried to make this a connected pipe. This is a piece strap. We could use this, try to see whether the thread would work here. I think the thread probably is a little bit bigger. We should use the file to file it and use this, but I think for my purpose this should be okay. The water should come out, and the best is this go through a filter so that it can filter some of the waste there. Your house may have a different configuration. This is just the idea. It's the cheapest way to do it, and it's removable. That's very important. Do leave a comment and let us know how you did it.